Peace. This is Ayrat, digital marketing specialist, also specialist and enthusiast in several other areas. Creating Google Analytics for account and property is simple, fast, quick process. But don't be happy too early, because after creating, we also need to make some settings in Google Analytics 4. This is a longer process. In this video, I'm going to show creating process. Stay tuned for video or videos about settings. Before showing how to create Google Analytics for account, I want to remind some previous points. To create Google Analytics for account, you already have to have Google account and of course website with access to change its code, or at least blogger.com aka blogspot.com account with access to change its code. If you want to install Google Analytics 4 through Google Tag Manager, of course you have to already have Google Tag Manager account container linked with your website or blogger.com aka blogspot.com. In this channel you can find video about it. As I already have these things, I want to show an example of blogger.com aka blogspot.com account. I can go ahead and create Google Analytics for account and property. Thank you for watching. Main video will continue after this insert. English is not my native. If you see something to correct me, welcome, but do it in a respectful and polite manner and with enough explanations and proof. Explanation of account and property. Account is biggest entity in Google Analytics 4, and property or app or property and app is a smaller entity, approximately like in Google Tag Manager. You also can watch video about it in this channel about Google Tag Manager accounts and containers. In Google Tag Manager, it's called container. Account can be one for one business, and properties for example, for each website different property, or for a group of websites different properties. In my example, as I have only one website, I will show an example of one website, one property. In reality, it's possible that you may have one property for one website or app, or one property for several, or several properties for one website or app, and so on. It depends on what? It depends on your business structure. Data stream is a piece of code with its ID or just ID. It depends on platform where you install it, and it's used to connect your website with Google Analytics for property. It's simplified explanation. In previous version of Google Analytics UA, Universal Analytics, there was not special term for this, but in GA4 there is a special term. And there's some little bit different but they serve for almost same use. And one property may have more than one data stream, or at least just one to get data. Same thing, how to divide them depends on your business. Thank you for watching. This was explanatory part of series of videos about creating Google Analytics for account and property. The part about creating new Google Analytics for account and property will be in the next video. Go ahead, watch it. Thank you for watching this part. Go ahead, watch next part. Make mutual wealth. Peace.